Okay, so as I have already told you in my previous video that I have recently purchased a bicycle. Okay, I purchased a bicycle because the second home where I currently live and my primary home are far from each other. Okay, now they are not uh, too far from each other. Okay, so that I need to have a bike or a car, but they are not too near to each other that I can just walk. Okay, so at least a bicycle is needed. That is how much the distance is between my primary home and my secondary home. Okay, and the other reasons are I don't know how to drive a car or ride a bike. I don't know those things here. Okay, that is second reason. Okay, another reason. And the third reason is I don't like vehicles much. Okay, car, bike, I don't like them much. Now since I have got the bicycle, the more I ride it, the more I feel like I didn't just buy a bicycle, I bought a mirror. That is how I feel like. Okay, because this is one of the rare things in my life that runs only when I do. No petrol, no electricity, no shortcuts. It's not powered by money or speed. Okay, it's powered by me. And still, it's lightweighted. Okay, its weight is very light. So light that I can carry it, but powerful enough to carry me through the world as well. Are you getting what I am saying? And maybe that's what real investment should feel like. Effortless to hold, but strong enough to move your life forward. There is no engine sound, no distraction, just my breath, the rhythm of the pedals, and the quiet realization that maybe this is how life should feel. Simple, self driven, connected to every inch of progress. That's it. This cycle doesn't take me anywhere on its own, okay? But when I move, it moves. And maybe that is what I have been looking for all along. Something that only works when I do and reminds me what I am really capable of. So, if you are thinking of investing in something, try something that asks for nothing but you and gives you freedom in return.